Good morning, I'm Jessica reporting for Crypto Millionaires. We're following a dramatic story unfolding in the XRP market today. The token has experienced wild price swings following the highly anticipated launch of the US spot XRP ETF, which shattered analyst expectations on its first day. The new XRP ETF, trading under the ticker XRPC, generated $58.6 million in first-day trading volume, more than triple what analysts had predicted. However, despite all that institutional buying interest, XRP actually fell 4.3% to $2.22 within 24 hours, with $28 million in liquidations on the derivatives side. What we're seeing is a fascinating disconnect between ETF inflows and actual price stability.
Thanks, Jessica. The numbers are striking and tell us something important about market mechanics. The settlement mechanics matter here. ETF purchases don't immediately affect spot prices due to T+1 settlement rules, so we're looking at delayed market impact. What we're seeing is genuine institutional demand meeting real-world macroeconomic headwinds. The broader crypto market is experiencing risk-off sentiment tied to economic pressures. So we have this fascinating collision. Real institutional appetite for XRP exposure meeting genuine market headwinds. Analysts are noting that sustained demand, not short-term inflows, will be what actually drives XRP's price trajectory going forward. This is a crucial distinction for our viewers to understand.
In related news, major developments at cryptocurrency exchange Kraken are signaling deeper institutional confidence in digital assets and XRP's role in the broader ecosystem. Kraken just completed an $800 million fundraising round with a $200 million investment from Citadel Securities, a heavyweight in traditional finance. This values Kraken at $15 billion and positions the exchange for an anticipated initial public offering in 2026. What makes this particularly relevant to XRP is that Citadel's involvement represents mainstream finance backing digital asset infrastructure at scale.
Exactly. And here's the strategic angle our viewers should understand. Kraken isn't just raising money, it's expanding aggressively into Latin America, Asia Pacific, and EMEA regions. The exchange is planning to expand tokenized equities, staking solutions, and global payment services. XRP's positioning as a cross-border payment solution becomes much more relevant when you have major exchanges backed by traditional finance players building out these exact use cases. This is institutional adoption infrastructure being built in real time. The convergence of these two stories is significant for XRP's long-term trajectory.
So we're looking at two convergent forces shaping XRP's future: the ETF democratizing XRP access for retail investors, and major exchanges like Kraken building the infrastructure for institutional-grade digital asset services. Both stories suggest we're at an inflection point for XRP. Whether that translates into sustainable price gains remains to be seen. The institutional backing is real, the infrastructure is being built, and retail access is expanding. For Crypto Millionaires, I'm Jessica. Stay tuned for more XRP updates as this story develops.